Tiny Tumbles TV.
Bald eagle. The eagle has a bright white head. It soars very high in the sky. Flamingo. This pink bird stands on one leg. It loves to wade in the water. Owl. The owl stays awake all night long. It has big, glowing eyes. Penguin. The penguin slides on its tummy. It is a bird that cannot fly. Parrot. The parrot has many colorful feathers. It can learn to say hello. Kingfisher. This bird dives into the river. It catches small fish for dinner. Peacock. The peacock opens its giant tail. It looks like a big, colorful fan. Toucan. The toucan has a very large beak. It lives in the green rainforest. Swan. The swan glides slowly on the lake. It has a long, graceful neck. Woodpecker. This bird taps loudly on tree trunks. It looks for bugs to eat. Hummingbird. The hummingbird is tiny and fast. Its wings move in a blur. Ostrich. The ostrich is a very tall bird. It can run faster than a car. Puffin. The puffin has a bright orange beak. It lives on cold, rocky cliffs. Sparrow. The sparrow is a small brown bird. It likes to hop and chirp. Raven. The raven is shiny and black. It is a very smart bird. Robin. The robin has a bright red chest. It sings a song in the spring. Heron. The heron has very long legs. It stands still to catch fish. Canary. The canary is a bright yellow bird. It loves to whistle and sing. Albatross. The albatross has huge, wide wings. It flies over the deep blue ocean. Turkey. The turkey makes a funny gobble sound. It has big brown feathers. Pigeon. The pigeon lives in the busy city. It bobs its head when it walks. Crane. The crane likes to hop and dance. It has a very long beak. Pelican. The pelican has a big pouch under its beak. It scoops up fish from the sea. Wood duck. This duck has many beautiful colors. It likes to swim in quiet ponds. Vulture. The vulture soars in wide circles. It looks for food from high up. Swift. The swift flies very, very fast. It spends most of its life in the air. Goldfinch. The goldfinch is a bright yellow bird. It loves to eat sunflower seeds. Stork. The stork builds a huge nest of sticks. It has long, thin, red legs. Kookaburra. The kookaburra makes a sound like a laugh. It sits on a high gum tree. Lyrebird. The lyrebird has a very fancy tail. It can copy almost any sound.